Mix these 4 ingredients to build up your immune system, to last longer as a man, to increase your sperm count, and to be the best man you want to be. These 4 ingredients will build up your immune system. But before I proceed, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you for supporting this channel. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to subscribe on this very channel to be a member of this channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I publish videos concerning men. So what are the 4 ingredients to mix to power like a horse? What are the 4 ingredients you will mix together to give you a healthy manhood and to help you build up your immune system? These 4 ingredients, when you take them, they will help you to last longer as a man. They can terminate quick ejaculation and they will increase your sex drive, or they will increase your libido. These 4 ingredients are very powerful. If you can take the 4 of them at the same time, you will get a perfect result. So what are the 4 ingredients to mix to power like a horse? They are: number 1, banana. Very important. Number 2 is groundnuts. Number 3 is milk. And the last, which is number 4, is honey. Now, how are you going to take these 4 ingredients, or how are you going to mix these 4 ingredients to get a maximum result? But bear in mind, for you to get the result you want, for you to power like a horse, you must take these 4 ingredients at the same time. If you have blender, blend the 4 of these ingredients. After blending, do not filter. Take it like that, morning and night, morning and night. Within 3 days, you will always power like a horse. Then, if you don't have a blender, make sure that you consume these 4 ingredients on daily basis. After you might have finished taking groundnuts and banana, because 2 of them are very good. 2 of them are what people likes to take. Then, for you to get results to power like a horse, take banana and groundnuts. Then after taking banana and groundnuts, drink milk and also drink 1 teaspoonful of honey. Drink it, that's all. Do it like that for the same 3-4 days. You will still have a good result. What are the results are you going to get? The results are: number 1, it will help you to build up your immune system. Number 2, it will help you to power like a horse. Number 3, it will increase your sperm count. Number 4, it must help you to last longer as a man. Number 5, it will help you to terminate erectile dysfunction. Number 6, it will help you to increase your libido or your sex drive. These 4 ingredients, once you can take 4 of them at the same time, you must power like a horse, and it will help you to build up your immune system. But in summary of this, these 4 ingredients Once you take the 4 of them at the same time, it will serve as a natural immune booster and a natural manpower which every man needs to last long as a man. So make sure that you consume these 4 ingredients for you to have the result you want. What is that result? To power like a horse. But not only to power like a horse, it will help you to boost up your immune system. It will help you to last longer. It will help you to be the best man you want to be. So that is why you need to consume these 4 ingredients at the same time. If you have a blender, put the banana in a blender, add granules, add honey, and add milk. But that honey must always be 1 teaspoonful of honey. Then granules must be fried one. Then grind up and consume it. Drink it for 3 good working days. Do not filter. Drink it like that for maximum results. If you don't have a blender or you don't have the time to prepare it, consume granules and banana. That is fried one and banana. After you might have finished consuming granules and banana, then drink milk as much as you can, but do not take it much on daily basis. Just drink milk like half cup and 1 teaspoonful of honey. Do it for 3 to 4 days. You must always start powering like a horse. It will help you to boost up your immune system. Now, it will make your sperm thick and mature for good pregnancy. So these are what you need. 4 ingredients to power like a horse. So that is it for today's video. I hope you get value from this video and I hope you enjoy watching this video. I personally recommend this recipe or this juice to all men to power like a horse. So take it for you to be the best you want. Like and share this video to your friends and families. If you have comments and questions, do not hesitate to put it in the comment section below. Thank you to all my subscribers and thank you for stopping to watch my video. Thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. I love you all and I will always appreciate each and every one of you. Stay tuned because I am coming up with great videos. Thank you for your time. See you in my next video. Thanks.